Good morning, students. Today we are learn four topic related document related to memorandum of association. That first ones we are completed meanings, definitions and features of memorandum of association. Today we are learn here clauses of memorandums of association and provision to alter it. First ones we are learn there are the so many clauses: name clauses, domicile clauses, objective clauses, capital clauses, substitute clauses, liability clauses. There are the different types of the clauses are there. We are learn today here the first types of clauses. First clauses we are learn the name clause. Name clause, this clause mention the name of the company. As a company is a legal entity distinct from its members, it has to have its own names to stabilize its separate identity. The promoter choose the name of for the company. The name clauses that's they had the mention the name of the company. There are the different names are there: Tata, Birla, Reliance, etc. There's different names. The clauses mention the name of the company. As a company is a legal entity distinct from its members, it has to have the own names, company's own name to stabilize its separate identity. The promoter choose the name for the company. Who are the chose the name? The promoters choose the name for the companies. This is the first clauses in the memorandums. It contains the name of the company. This is the first clauses of the memorandums of associations. And a company can choose any suitable name subject to the following restrictions. Then following points should be keep in mind while choosing the name of the company. First, the name should not be identical or resembles the name of an already existing company registered under this act or any previous company law. This means those companies are already exiting market. For example, Balaji, Haldirams, that types of the companies are already exit. We are not take that names. We are choose another's names. The name should not be identical or resembles. That's the name of the already exit the company registered under this act, the Company Act 2013 or any previous company law. Another restrictions, the name should not contain any word which will constitute an offence under any law. There is also the one's restrictions. Another, the name or words in the name shall not offend any section of peoples. The name should not have any word that give an impression that the company is connected with or has the support of central or state government or any local authorities. There is also the one restriction. The name shall not resembles any registered trademark. Then the name shall not violate the provisions of ambience. Ambience means designs and names. In, in, in case of a public company limited by share or guarantee, the last words of the name should be limited, that is Tata Steel Limited, etc. That some provisions are here. Here we are learn for the government authority. The company cannot adopt the name which is identical with the name of existing company. The word like government, state, municipalities should not be included in the name of the company. The name of the public company must contain the word limited. Contain the words are the public limited as it is the end, and the name of the private company must end with the private limited. That the Tata Steel there is a limited means the public companies. Private limiteds are mentioned in the those company there is the private companies. Then the name should not be suggested of the support of any political parties. Then the name should not be related with the person or leaders or any parties. That the three names are to be suggested to the promoters. Promoters are suggested three names. There is the sum. Keep the point should be keep in mind while choosing the name of the companies. Next, alterations of name clauses. A company may change its name anytime on its own on its conversion from public company to private or vice versa, on the directions of the central government if it is of the opinion that the name is similar to the name of an already exists company or similar to the registered trademark. Name clauses can be altered by passing a special resolution in the general meetings of the company. Any name clauses we want to change it. Therefore, there is a pass the special resolutions in general meeting. Yours, we are learn today here. Then clauses, name clauses, memorandums of association. Thank you, students.